In this video, we're going to be looking at how you program back offsets in FEAK. So we'll head down and edit our day, A1. For this example, we're going to use a flat dumbbell press with a neutral grip. Submit. Now, whenever we're using the custom reps option, it's really important to select the number of sets we want. That will give us the correct number of rep input boxes in the custom reps. For this example, for our back offsets, we're going to use a set of 6 to 8 for our first 3 sets. And for our fourth set, we're going to use a set of 10 to 15, where we're going to drop the load and aim for some slightly higher reps. Submit. We want to, as usual, input our tempo and our rest. Now, much like the wave loading, or any time we're using custom reps or custom intensity, we want to select which intensity type we're going to use. So for this example, we're going to use kilos, custom intensity, and click in here. Now, with this being a slightly more advanced set rep scheme, we should have a pretty good idea around what loads to use for given rep ranges for clients using this option. So I'm going to, for this example, use 30 kilos for our sets of 6 to 8, first 3 sets, and our back offset of 10 to 15 is going to be performed with 22.5 kg. Submit. Now we're going to use this for cycle 2, same loads, but for cycle 3 and 4, we're going to adjust the load slightly, increase the weight for our first 3 sets, 32.5, and for our back offset, we're going to use 25. Submit. Copy week 3, cycle 3, down to cycle 4, and you'll see we have our slightly increased load for our final 2 cycles on this program. Save.